A facility engineer job is available. Requirement minimum 8 plus years of GCC or UAE in facility maintenance industry experience with bachelor or master degree in mechanical or electrical engineering. Should be expert in functions of integrated analytic and communication skills are required. Mandatory to have valid UAE driving license. Preference will be given to cancel or visit visa candidates because of urgent requirement. Interested candidates can share their CV along with passport copy, education and experience certificates to the given email address. Please mention applied position in the email subject. Adib. This company is a member of Sultan bin Rashid group, and for further detail you can visit to the given website. A planning engineer vacancy is available. Our construction company is in need of a planning engineer to join our team. The ideal candidate must have 8 to 10 years of experience and be available in the UAE. We offer a competitive salary package and a great work culture. Please send your update CV with your expected salary and notice period to the given email address. Interviews will be conducted next week. Good luck. My friend, if you have been sent your CV to the given email address, it is not enough. For further you have to make a route plan to drop your CV physically. It's very compulsory, and it's depend upon your location where you are locating. You have to start from one side to another side. Suppose you have been applied for 6 jobs and you have to make a route plan. You are going to start from last point, then you will come next point like this, and at the end you will drop your CV to the first point. So keep in mind that you are going to drop your same CV which you have been sent to the email address. And for this one you have to know how to make your CV in mobile phone. For this you can watch complete video in same YouTube channel. And also if you are going to drop your CV, you can ask any question, any information when you are going to hiring, or this hiring is closed, or still you are hiring, and when interview is scheduled. And also you can subscribe my channel to related information. I will also share this information, and for any query you can ask in comment section. I will help you. 2 vacancies are available: Junior Procurement Engineer and Junior Cost Controller. Number 1. Junior Procurement Engineer, candidates with 1 to 2 year experience in automobile industry. Number 2. Junior Cost Controller, candidate with 1 to 2 year experience in automobile industry. Excellent command over MS Office is mandatory. Candidate with relevant experience can share CV to the given email address. 2 vacancies are available: Storekeeper and Warehouse in Charge. Should have 2 plus years experience as storekeeper or warehouse in charge. Should be from construction or interior fit-out backgrounds. Salary offered 3000 dirham, all in, including accommodation, transportation, everything. Should be available in UAE for interview. Only suitable candidates send CV to the given email address. If you are following the above criteria, you can send CV, otherwise no need. Guys, before switch to the next topic, I just want to share with you very important information. Guys, be serious on this. If you are going to Dubai in visit visa in search of a job, you have to do something before departure. Before flying from your country, you have to do some work. Where you want to go, how you will find a job. I have a complete video. You can check in playlist. And also there you can find what documents are required. You have to attest all your documents. Another thing, if you are on cancel visa or you want to change your job, it will also help you to assist you. And the third important thing, CV is very important. If you know how to make or change CV in mobile phone, it's very well. If you don't know, you can watch a video, complete video, and within 10 to 15 minutes you can make a professional CV in your mobile phone just now. The basic thing is that if you are going to apply for a call center job and you are trying to find, you tried your best, but unluckily you did not find the same job, but you found an customer service job. This is closely related to the call center, but now you have to change your CV. The remaining CV will be the same, just experience in and description, and the other things, skills, you have to change. You have to change your skills from call center to customer service. If you don't know how to change in mobile phone, then it will problem for you. You do not need to waste your money either in typing center or computer shop. Just go there and please change my this CV like this. This is a first example, but you have to change your CV many times. So you can watch a video and you can change everything in your mobile free of cost. Another thing, how to search a job. I have a complete video and playlist. You can watch there. And daily update about new jobs. I am posting jobs. So you have to subscribe this channel so you will get daily notification and you can apply for your desired job. So make sure just now you subscribe my channel, because later you will forget it. This is the most important thing. Just click on subscribe and press the bell icon. And I also created a playlist for your assist. You can watch all the video related to the job post. Thank you. Logistic executive job is available. Position logistics executive. Requirements: bachelor degree, minimum 4 to 5 years of experience required in handling export to GCC country like Saudi, Oman, etc. If you fall in above criteria and you have related experience, you can send CV to the given email address, or you can contact to the given mobile number. Also, you can visit website is written below. Logistic coordinator vacancy is available. Parker Connect is hiring. They are looking for logistic coordinator. Salary will be 10,000. Location UAE, and this is Dubai based job. Letter of credit experience is mandatory. If you have previous experience related to this field, you can send your CV to the given email address.